I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making the area safe. Disconnect the battery negative terminal and wait about 2 minutes to ensure no residual power. Once done, remove the dash trim and the screws holding the instrument cluster. Place fasteners in labeled containers so reassembly is faster. Make sure to photograph the fuel gauge needle and cluster face for reference. Then unplug the wiring harness carefully. This prevents damage and lets you proceed to the needle repair with a clear baseline. Next, inspect the gauge internals. Look for a loose pointer gear, damaged spline, or debris caught under the needle. If the pointer slipped, use a soft plastic pry tool to lift the hub vertically off the stepper motor shaft, then reseat it precisely at the empty mark to restore calibration. While you have the cluster out, test the sender circuit and gauge operation with a multimeter or a 12V bench test to confirm the movement is smooth, and the stepper responds before you reassemble. Finally, reinstall the cluster, reconnect the wiring harness, and reconnect the battery. Watch the needle sweep during key-on to verify correct movement. If the needle sticks or returns to a wrong position, apply a tiny amount of electrical-grade lubricant to bearings or replace the stepper motor assembly. Do this only if tests fail. If problems persist, troubleshoot wiring and grounds and verify the sender resistance is within spec. This single troubleshooting tip usually isolates whether the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.